Alrighty, happy Easter, everybody. Been a minute. Well, I got a few new toys. Training hardcore with my HELLCAT OSP. Haven't put a red dot on that yet. That's just too small of a gun for carry to have a red dot on. Some people may call me crazy. But, just got into this one. XDM Elite FDE 4.5 OSP model. I threw the Venom by Vortex 3 MOA on it. I'm just a Springfield guy. Just through and through. Got a Glock. Got a couple different ones. But I'm a Springfield guy. Threaded barrel. Yeah, I haven't contacted the ATF yet to get a suppressor. Maybe down the road. Those aren't cheap either. New gun. Couple new guns. I find your lack of ammo disturbing. Grunt style. Got it for $19 at the gun show in Madison. What a steal. I'm just going to throw a couple rounds down range here. This thing is bad. Real bad. A lot of fun. A lot of fun. Alrighty. There's no safety on this, so... Well, there's 3 of them, but no true manual safety. There we go. Take this bad boy down range. See how we did. This is our beautiful range out here. Really, really nice. I like it. I forgot to mark one off a little earlier. This is from earlier. I'm kind of all over the place, but that was just sighting it in a bit. This one here, I don't know how that got there, but I was shooting up in this circle here. Uno, dos, tres. Not the kind of groupings I want, but for starters, not too shabby.